Welcome to Brain Vision.
So now we're going to look at the probability of drawing two face cards when we draw two cards from a deck and without replacement. So here, face cards means Jack, Queen, and King. And there are 12 face cards in a deck. And a standard deck of cards comprises 52 cards in total. So now the probability of drawing two face cards equals the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of the total number of outcomes. So in our problem, the number of favorable outcomes is 12 choose 2 because there is no order and no replacement, and the total number of outcomes is 52 choose 2. And if you use a calculator for this, you'll get the result, which is 0.0498. And this equals 4.98%.